Hey there! Today I have a Stitchfix unboxing for you. If you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it is an online styling service, and I've been doing this service for over a year and I do really like it. So I'll put some information in the description box below of how the service works along with my referral link in case you want to check it out, and I'll also put a card up above to my playlist of earlier Stitchfix videos. So anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so here's my bundle, and it's very tightly packed, so let's see what we have. I'll show you this side too. Here's my style card, and yes, I have my stylist Halia again, and every fix I do request her in my note to please have Halia as my stylist. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and quickly read the note, and what I'll do is I'm going to scan the note and put it up above, so in case you want to read it too, you can freeze the frame. Okay? But I'm going to quickly read it. Okay, and the first item are a pair of pants. Let's see. Wow. And these are by Margaret M. Slimming Pant. So that's the same brand that I got last time, and remember last time I had those kind of plaid pants. So I did ask her to send me another pair in a size medium, so she did, but it's a different style. It's navy and it has an interesting, I don't know if you can see it, detail. And this is the Sylvie printed straight leg pant, size medium, and it's $98. So these are kind of expensive. They're pull-on. Well, let's see how they look. So they might be like an investment type of piece for work. Next, ooh, it's a dress, and it's by French Gray. Oh, this is cute. So it's a knit dress. I'm wondering if it might be a little short, but we'll try it on. Size medium. It's the Maella brushed knit dress. So yeah, it's that very nice soft brushed knit material with a very pretty print. And this one is $48, so not bad and very cute. Okay, next, and she said this is a wild card. Okay, so it's a blouse. It's by Fortune and Ivy, and it's got this cold shoulder. Yeah, I'm not really into the cold shoulder look, but we'll see. It is pretty. And this one is the Anwe cold shoulder top, size medium, and this one is $36. So cute and not a bad price. I do like the print. Okay, next is a t-shirt. And it has pineapples on it. So yeah, I know my younger daughter is really into pineapples. Now I think pineapples must be in. Okay, so this is by DJ and JUJU, size medium. It's the Halia graphic knit top, and it is $34, which to me is a little bit pricey for a t-shirt, but we'll give it a try. And the last item, okay, what is this? Oh, okay, this is pretty. It's a top, you can see, with the crisscross neckline. It's by the brand PINQUE, and it's spelled PINQUE, and it's the Liza cross front detail knit top in burgundy. And so you'll see it's a knit, it feels nice, and it has this nice detail in the sleeves. So it's cute. So this one is $34. So that's not bad for this. I like this one. Okay, so that's everything I got in my Stitchfix box this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here are the pants, and they are actually a little big. The last time I got the small, and I thought they were a little too snug and hard to put on, and these are actually kind of a little loose. So maybe the small really was my size. And they are just a little bit long, but they're nice. And I just paired it with a top that I had. This is an Ann Taylor top. I think I got it actually at the Ann Taylor factory store. But yeah, so these pants are actually really nice. They're thick, high quality, and I think they're comfortable. But yeah, I just don't think they fit me right. But anyway, I'll bring you closer. I'll do that. Okay, and here are the pants up close. You can see. But yeah, so I just don't know. I don't think, I mean, they're nice, but I don't think they are the right size. Okay, so here is the dress. And actually, it's pretty cute. I don't know if it, I don't think it's too short. It's a little short, but not bad. And it's really, really soft. And yeah, I think it's cute, comfortable. It has a pretty print and it's a pretty color. And it has this kind of interesting neckline. So yeah, I like it. I think it's cute. Good choice, Holly. Okay, so here is the cold shoulder top. And I've just paired it with some colored jeans, and these are just black jeans that I got from a previous Stitch Fix. So here you go. It's a nice top. It's pretty. I mean, the cold shoulder look has been around for at least a couple years, I think, you know? So I don't know. Okay, so here is the pineapple t-shirt. And I actually kind of like this shirt. It's a good cut, and it is a cute style, cute print. It's just a little pricey for a t-shirt, but it is nice. And I just paired it with some, these are some army green pants that I got from Nordstrom Rack, and they're by Vigos. And let's try to do the front tuck. Let's see how that looks. Okay. So here we go. And to be honest, I have never worn a front tuck in public, but it does look cute that way. So here we go. Yeah, very cute. I'm definitely considering this t-shirt. Okay, so lastly, here is the maroon top with the crisscross. And this is actually very cute. So you see it has the crisscross and it has this thing, these sleeves. And it's a knit material. And I just paired it with these striped shorts. In the style card, she had it paired with some a striped skirt. But I have these striped shorts I got from Uniqlo that I kind of like. So I thought it looked kind of cute and casual. But yeah, this is cute. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Stitch Fix box this time. And I thought there were some really cute things, and I don't know what I'm gonna keep actually. I did kind of like these pants, but they're a little pricey, and I think it was a little bit big. So I think with this particular brand, although I like the idea of the pull-on work pant, I think I'm just maybe in between sizes. Actually, I saw some pants that were kind of similar on Amazon's website that was by Tribal, and I did try like a cropped pant, but I might try, they had some ankle pants like this, so I'm gonna maybe order those from Amazon, but we'll see. And the cold shoulder top I thought was actually pretty cute, but I think for me, I think this cold shoulder, I think for me this is probably a pass, although it is really cute. This pineapple t-shirt actually really surprised me. I mean, I don't ordinarily spend $36 on a t-shirt, but this one, hey, it has pineapples. So I'm really considering this one. So we'll see. I might be a little crazy. Plus, my younger daughter, she's really into pineapples now. She just bought herself a pineapple cell phone case, and usually she knows what's in. I really did like this dress. And the only thing is the length, so I'm not sure, I'm gonna have to try it on again and see if it's too short for me to wear to work, but I did really like it, and I love these kind of knit, comfortable dresses, and this print is really pretty. Lastly, I thought this was a really cute top, so this one I also am considering. I do have some other crisscross necklines. I don't usually like to have too much of the same trend, you know, but it is really cute, and yeah, nice color. But anyway, let's also go over the invoice. So the total for this fix was $250, and if I were to buy all 5, the buy all 25% discount would be $62.50, and the order subtotal would be $187.50. So $187 for all of this clothes is not bad. Plus I did have some credit, so thank you very much for those of you who signed up using my referral link. I want to quickly thank Gina C and Ella R. Thank you so much for signing up using my referral link. Yeah, so every time you sign up using my referral link, right now I do get a $25 credit, and I think the promo that's going on is that you also get a $25 credit. So yeah, thank you so much. Anyway, but that was everything I got this fix. So let me know what you guys thought and which items did you like. As always, I always do appreciate my stylist Halia. I think she does an excellent job. So thank you so much, Holly. And I know she's watching. And yeah, I really do appreciate it. So thank you again, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos and some shopping hauls. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.